Tomatoes are among the most rewarding vegetables to grow, bringing bright colors and juicy flavor to any garden. With the right natural boost, you can get stronger plants, bigger harvests, and healthier fruits all season long. Today I'll show you a completely natural fertilizer that your tomato plants will love. Start by placing your first ingredient into half a liter of warm water. 1 tablespoon of ground oats, freshly milled in a grinder. Oats are packed with phosphorus and magnesium, 2 essential nutrients for strong root systems and abundant flowering. They also encourage microbial activity in the soil, which helps your tomatoes thrive from the ground up. Next, mix in your second ingredient. 2 tablespoons of yogurt. Yogurt introduces beneficial bacteria to the soil, improving nutrient uptake and strengthening plant immunity. It's also an excellent natural source of calcium, which helps prevent blossom end rot, a common issue in tomatoes. Now for the third ingredient, which will act as a natural shield, add 1 teaspoon of dried lavender. Lavender acts as a natural pest repellent and keeps harmful insects away from your plants. It also helps prevent fungal diseases like blight and powdery mildew, protecting your tomatoes from common threats. Stir the mixture well and let it sit for at least 3 hours to activate. Once infused, strain the solution and dilute it with an additional 2 liters of water. Water each plant with around 300 milliliters of this mix every 15 days. If you found this recipe helpful, please share the video with your gardening friends so they too can enjoy healthier, more productive tomato plants. Thanks for watching and happy gardening.